Hey buddy, new day, new cup. Look what I got in the mail. Look, I got some other stuff too, but some of these have been opened and used, some haven't. There's just a boatload of different ones here. It's so exciting. Let's see what we have. Don't want white. So we have some metallics. Metallic bronze. Not sure I want to do those. We have metallic green. We have metallic colors. Metallic blue. More metallic blue. More metallic green. Metallic violet. Metallic pink. I have used these before. Oh, we got rainbow. Okay. Glitters. We have some glitter inks here. That's here's pink to green to gold. Here's blue to green to gold. I used those a lot on black cups. More rainbow. Yay! It's like hitting the jackpot. This is some of their extender. I've never used that. I don't really know what that's all about. Violet to blue to green glitter. Blue to green to gold glitter. Violet to blue to green. Alrighty. Violet to blue to green. More white. I've never used the white. Marabu has a brand new white out now that I will be getting that shortly. More metallic. That is not their regular white. This has been out for quite a while, the regular white. It does not help the other colors sink if you're doing like trying to do the Petri dish style where you put on a bunch of other color alcohol inks and then you drop white on top and it's supposed to, you know, take everything down with it as it sinks to the bottom of the coaster dish or whatever mold you're using. This white doesn't work well for that, I've heard. I've never used it. Piñata Blanco Blanco is considered the ultimate sinker white. Although companies are trying to come out with new now, I have found that the Let's Resin, okay, here we go. It's this one. Let's Resin alcohol ink, white, then C, parentheses, deeper, end parens. That one is a really good sinker. It also works really, really well on alcohol ink swirl tumblers. Magenta. People have asked me about that. They've said, well, what happens if you put the rainbow alcohol ink on black in the waterfall rain technique? And I don't know the answer, so I may try that with not just the rainbow, but all of these other glitter ones, because they'll all show up much better on black. They're color shifting. So that would be interesting to see what a waterfall or rain technique tumbler looks like on black with color shifting alcohol inks. That would be fascinating. So we will do that. But today I have a white cup. So let's try some of these. These are the metallics. I'm not going to use those for this. I guess we can try one of the magentas. So we have a magenta. We'll try metallic violet. Might as well use one that's been opened. And a metallic blue. And let's see, where's a green? And a metallic green. Let's try those. I'll get my brass, which is Piñata Brass Alcohol Ink diluted even further with more alcohol. That's the brass. Okay. So what I'm working with, in case you didn't catch that, metallic, good God, metallic violet, metallic blue, metallic green, and regular old magenta. We're going to see what happens with those for colored inks and brass on a tumbler. And I am going to use heat. I know, I read the comments, folks, I really do, and I know how much some of you are bothered by the quantity of alcohol ink I waste. Please don't be. I used to do paint pouring. There's a lot of waste with paint pouring too. it's okay. Sometimes it's just fun to do it, and that's all this is about. This is about me having fun with a technique that I'm trying to figure out how to do better. Okay, so shake up my brass. Actually, turn my turner on. This is my faster turner. All my other turners spin at 2 to 3 RPMs. This is 6 RPMs. Probably doesn't seem like there's much difference. It's not, you know, like a power drill or anything. That would be fun. That would be interesting. But this is twice as fast as all my other turners, so that helps. Take all the caps off. And of course, I flood the cup first with 91% isopropyl alcohol from Walmart. That's where we start. And I will put the colors on, and I will hit it with heat. I will try to control myself. I really will. And then when I watch it later in editing, I will discover that I have no control whatsoever, and that's why I still can't do this the way I want to. Okay, here we go. Oh, magenta's not open. Okay, scratch that. Won't be doing magenta. This is the metallic blue. And green. And the brass. And the heat. Well, Shazam! I'm happy with it just the way it is. Dang, that's never happened to me before. I mean, yeah, I could fiddle with it. I need to figure out what that little clumpy thing is there and get that out of there. I could fiddle with it, but that's pretty damn perfect for me, for what I want, for what I envision. I'm not saying it's perfect, because it's not. That's really pretty. Shoot, man. Didn't even need Miss Magenta. Or Miss Columbia. Or Riff Raff. Cool. All right. Well, that was easy, huh? Yeah. Damn, I love that. Now let me turn this off when that glob comes around and take care of that. I think it's just dried alcohol ink from the bottle. I need steady hands. There we go. I'm not even gonna, if I start fiddling with that spot to make it look better, it'll look so much worse. So it turns out if I do control myself, if I actually control my movements with the heat gun, things kind of turn out okay. Who knew? That is really pretty. I really like that. Well, because that didn't take long, I will let this dry and I will put resin on it and I will bring you back because I will decal it. I have to figure out what I'm going to do for a decal, but I am going to put a decal on it. We will finish the cup. So stay tuned. And we're back. Okay, this is gorgeous. It is resined. And now it's time to put a saying on it. I'm embarrassed to admit that my new blade for my Cricut hasn't come yet, so I'm kind of limited on what I can do for sayings and decals right now. So basically, if I want to cut vinyl right now, I can't. I have decided to do a water slide here. I think it'll be okay. It's just words in black, and I've mirrored it. And yeah, here we go. I'm using the Hippo water slide paper that we tested recently. If you didn't see that, I will link to that video below comparing this water slide paper with the Sunny Scopa. I still love both of them. So I get some water on here, like that. I have my squeegee tool, and I should just be able to. This is one of these fonts I love where there's really no clear-cut line. The type just sort of goes up and down. So you don't really have to worry about lining things up too straight because it doesn't matter. And then you just pull the backing paper off. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Move everything out of the way here. It's got some wrinkles in it. That's where the squeegee tool comes in. It brushes out all the wrinkles, all the extra water that's underneath, all the bubbles, lays everything beautifully flat. Here we go. Ta-da! There is our gorgeous tumbler. And that is kind of how I'm feeling. It's been one of those days, again. But this is looking beautiful. So I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna put another coat of resin on it. I will bring you back for the big reveal out in the sunshine. Stay tuned.